Today's interview question is difference between GET and POST. GET request is designed for getting data from the server, whereas the POST request is designed for sending the data to the server. The GET request is sent via URL, whereas the POST request is sent via an HTTP request body. In GET, request parameters are transmitted as a query string appended to the request, whereas the request parameters are transmitted with the body of the request. In GET, the default method, hence it implements automatically, whereas POST we need to specify manually. In GET can send limit data with the GET request, whereas POST can send large amount of data with the POST request. In GET, it always submit data as text, whereas POST we can send any type of data. In GET, use of GET is safe because it is independent, whereas the POST use of the unsafe because it is non-independent. In GET, data is visible to the user as it push the data in the URL, whereas the POST data is not visible to the user as it is pushed the data in the message body. In GET, request can be bookmark and caching, whereas the POST request cannot be bookmark and caching. In GET, more efficient than POST, whereas POST is less efficient to GET. GET search is the best example of the GET request, whereas the login is the best example of a POST request. Thank you.